In this video, we will explain order sources and how to benefit from them in the system, with a focus on their applications in the restaurant field. For example, if you own a restaurant and need to assign a number to each table to track orders and print invoices for every table, you can use order sources for this purpose. To provide faster and more efficient service, go to the Sales menu, then to Sales Settings. Scroll down and click on Order Sources. Start adding your own sources by clicking Add. For instance, I'll add Table 1 and Table 2, and so on. To delete an order source later, first make sure it is not linked to any previous transaction. Then click the Delete icon to the right of the source. To ensure the source can be used when creating transactions, make sure Active is selected. The system also allows you to rearrange the added sources according to your needs using drag and drop. Once the sources are saved, you can assign one of them as a default order source, so it will be automatically selected when creating invoices or recording orders. If you enable the mandatory option, the system will require selecting an order source when creating invoices before the invoice can be saved. We will show this shortly. After saving the settings, I'll create a new sales invoice and enter the details. I'll intentionally ignore selecting an order source. As we can see, the system will reject saving the invoice because the order source is a required field. Going back to the Order Sources page, I'll disable the mandatory option and set a default order source from the list, then save the settings. Notice that when creating a new sales invoice, Table 1 will be automatically selected as the order source based on the changes I made. These changes will also apply to transactions created through POS sessions. To clarify further, I'll go to the POS menu, Start a new sales session. From the POS interface, we can see the default order source that was automatically selected here. By clicking on it, I can choose another order source or table. If there are a large number of added sources, you can use the search box at the top. First, select Search by Source, then enter the source name to select it. As a reminder, if the mandatory option is enabled, you will not be able to select or add products to invoices until an order source has been assigned.